When we look into design, we always think about what do you want in the house? What do you want in terms of the function? Do you want storage? What kind of style? What kind of design? We seldom ask, how do you want to feel in the house? Before we even embark on the design journey, we will actually create a mood questionnaire that we will have done with a psychotherapist, and then we will work on this with my clients to understand what their subconscious and conscious desires are. We actually coined this term as psychology-led design. For this client, she wanted something that's bright, that's airy, it's calm, serene, private. So how do we condense that into this whole look? And how do we make this home feels inviting without feeling that it is very cluttered? When we work with the clients, we always understand what their non-negotiables are in terms of not only the look and feel. We go to the level of details of not just understanding what she's going to put in each of the cabinet, but also how she's going to use it. When she comes after a long day at work, what is her workflow? Where is she going to put her shoes? This house has to work for you, not against you. Actually, that painting is the source of the inspiration. That painting belongs to my client's father, and then it is very sentimental for her, and we wanted to incorporate that into the whole space. That it becomes the anchor of the space. We design not only the color palette, but also the serene feeling, the calm feeling around that painting. We incorporate greeneries, we incorporate a lot of earthy tone and blues and green here, as well as real plants, so that to sort of mimic that feeling of nature when you see this painting. When we approach calm, in that sense, it means no visual clutter. And how do we reduce that visual clutter is incorporating a lot of smart storage everywhere. When we receive this award, it feels like a lot of validation to what we are actually doing, because the award's title is for the most inviting home in 2026. I think that's a full circle moment, and it encapsulates all the design brief, design process up to the execution. When we want to design our own home, we need to think about how we want to live first, because the style, the look can be anything that resonates with us. But we need to know first and foremost, how do we want to live in the space?